Hi, this is Vano, and if you're watching this, it means you got my letter. Joseph and Marisol are a great couple and are ready to buy and are pre-approved and willing to pay top dollar for your home. They really love this area and want to stay in Sanford, so this is a perfect opportunity to quickly, conveniently sell your home to a very motivated buyer willing to pay top dollar. And they were also completely flexible on time. So if you have to find your next house, they are willing to give you time to do so. I can also send this letter out to anywhere in the Central Florida area on your behalf to help you find your next home. If you're considering selling, give me a call at 407 550 5834. It'll be completely confidential and just an exploratory call. If you're interested from there, I can pop by sometime at your convenience. Take a look at the house and see if it's a good fit. If it is, we could talk about bringing Joseph and Marisol by. Just so you know, I did send this letter out to your neighbors in the area as well. This could be an awesome opportunity to sell your home without the hassle of putting it on the market. If you have any questions or if you're interested in Joseph and Marisol's offer, please give me a call or text me now, 407 550 5834. Thank you.